Racing. Racing just started Pasaporte, rushing upon the outside is Gold on fire. The next on line is Beat them all, rushing up down the inside is the best guys, then followed by Significant Dream. In between horses, Tango, then next on line. Now is Samara plus Intriguero. Comes next, then followed by Pasaporte, Port Bell. Racing second last, while Tiptoes is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch, we have Gold on fire by Link and Hap. Right behind in second is Beat them all, Tango. Now into then in fourth comes Significant Dream. Best guys is down in fifth, and in sixth is Samara Plus, then followed by Port Bell. Then next on line is Intriguero, Pasaporte, while Tiptoes is still racing in less. And in the fourth turn, we have Gold on fire by a length. Then here comes Tango, now moving upon the outside to take the lead. It's now Tango to take the lead. Gold on fire, shuffle back in second, moving upon the outside. Best guys beat them all. Significant Dream. Last 100 meters, we have Tango, followed now by Best Guys, and finally it's going to be Tango. Best Guys, Port Bell close with Gold on fire, beat them all. Significant Dream.
Number 6, Tango, ang siyang unang tuwid sa ating finish line, written by Mark Angelo Alvarez. Then segundo, 4 Best Guys. Tercero, unang, fourth.